Hi, it's Allie from Inspiralized, and today we're in my kitchen with a very special guest, my son Luca. We're going to be making my healthy 20-minute Blender Muffins. They are something that he eats every week. He loves them. He's guaranteed to eat at least 3 or 4 of them. And they're super easy, 5 ingredients. They're all made in a blender. You can actually make the whole recipe while you're holding your little baby. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we do it with Luca. So we're going to start by putting everything in the blender. We're going to do 2 eggs. Just crack them right into the blender. And once we have the eggs, we're going to add in a tablespoon of flaxseed. This is great for omega-3s for the baby, especially if you can't get him or her to eat fish or meat. We're going to do 3 tablespoons of rolled oats, right? The rolled oats are great and will make these muffins or donuts very fluffy. And then you're going to take 1 medium banana. He's eating part of the banana right now. You want more? And we're just put that right in there. And then the next part is the veggie. Now I like to use leftover roasted veggies from the week, like ones that he never ate. Steamed veggies that I made for him, I'll pop right in here. Today I'm just going to use some spinach. That's another option you can use, just spinach. So do 1½ handfuls. Now we just put the top on. All right, now we're going to go ahead and blend. These are nice and green, but your kid will eat them. What's great about these is with the banana, it's a little bit sweet, so once they bite into it, they'll love it because of the sweetness, but obviously it's packed with nutrients, protein, and a daily serving of veggies, which is really important. Okay, and now once they're blended, we can pour them into a muffin pan, a donut pan. You can actually make this as a loaf. But what we're gonna do today, since I wanna do this all with Luca with me and be safe, I'm gonna use my toaster oven. So instead of opening a big oven, which is not safe with a little baby, we're gonna use a toaster oven, right? So I already put some liners out here, and this is my tray for the toaster oven. I'm just take the lid off here. You're getting excited, right? You love these. And I'm just gonna pour them right into the muffins, about halfway. And Luca loves these with butternut squash, with sweet potato. You can really use any vegetable. You could use grated zucchini, but I just like to use what I have on hand. And this is something I make when I don't know what to make and I just want to throw something together. I know that this will be a healthy breakfast for Luca. You can serve it with a little bit of yogurt and some extra fruit. We have our muffins all filled. You ready? Pop them in the oven. What do you think? So we're just gonna open the toaster oven, obviously keeping Luca away from it. I'm just gonna slide these right in. And these are just gonna cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they fluff up and they're firm to the touch, right? And then we can pop them out of the muffin liners and let the baby enjoy. And here we go. Those are my 20-minute Blender muffins. You can make them into donuts. You can use any veggie you want. These muffins are totally baby and adult approved. They're great for meal prep for yourself or obviously for your little one. You can use any veggies you want and they come together in 20 minutes. You can hold your baby while you do them. And I think it's time to have breakfast. What do you think? For this recipe and more, head on over to inspiralized.com/kids.